Welcome to the Facts Forum channel. In this video we will be exploring about the tallest building of the world located at Dubai, United Arab Emirates, the Burj Khalifa. Before starting video, remind you to like, share and subscribe this video and channel as well. The Burj Khalifa is a skyscraper located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is currently the tallest building in the world, standing at a height of 828 meters, 2,716 feet, with 163 floors with 154 usable floors and 58 elevators. The building's elevators are some of the fastest in the world, traveling at speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. They symbolize the building's technological sophistication and engineering prowess. Its height symbolizes the ambition and grandeur of Dubai. The building was designed by Adrian Smith of Skidmore, Owings and Merrill, and was constructed and owned by the Dubai-based company MR Properties, a Dubai-based real estate development company. The tower was originally called Burj Dubai, but was renamed in honor of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the President of the United Arab Emirates. More than 12,000 workers were involved in the construction of the Burj Khalifa. Its construction took a total of 6 years to complete. The design of the Burj Khalifa was inspired by the Hymenocallis flower, a regional desert flower that grows in Dubai. It was officially opened in January 4, 2010 as part of a larger development project known as Downtown Dubai, which includes the Dubai Mall, hotels, residences, and other commercial buildings. The total cost of the project was approximately $1.5 billion. The Burj Khalifa is home to the world's highest restaurant, Atmosphere, which is located on the 122nd floor. The building features a total of 900 residences, including studios, 1, 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments, and penthouses. The Burj Khalifa also features the Armani Hotel Dubai, which is located on the lower levels of the building. The Burj Khalifa features a total of 2.7 million square feet of office space. Building has a total of 2,957 parking spaces and has a total of 24,348 windows. The Burj Khalifa has a total of 304 hotel rooms in the Armani Hotel Dubai. The building is cooled by a central air conditioning system that uses seawater from the Persian Gulf. The Burj Khalifa's observation deck, known as At the Top, is located on the 124th floor and offers stunning views of Dubai. It symbolizes the building's status as a tourist attraction and a symbol of modernity and progress. There are 2 ticket types, one with access to levels 124 and 125, and the sky option with additional access to the exclusive level 148 observation deck. The building has been featured in several movies, including Mission Impossible, Ghost Protocol, and Star Trek Beyond, and many others. The building's lighting system features 300 high-powered LED projectors and 1.2 million LED lights. The lights on the Burj Khalifa can be programmed to create various patterns and designs, making it a popular spot for light shows. The Burj Khalifa has won several awards for its design, including the prestigious Chicago Atheneum International Architecture Award in 2010. The Burj Khalifa features a luxury nightclub on the 144th floor called Atmosphere. The Burj Khalifa has become a major tourist attraction and is widely regarded as an architectural masterpiece. The Burj Khalifa is located in the heart of downtown Dubai, is the centerpiece of a development called Downtown Dubai, which includes other landmarks like the Dubai Mall and the Dubai Fountain. The Burj Khalifa's height was kept a secret during its construction to avoid competition from other tall building projects. Several legends associated with this iconic structure. Some fun facts about the Burj Khalifa's legends. The Tower of Babel. Some people believe that the Burj Khalifa is a modern-day version of the Tower of Babel, a biblical tower that was built to reach the heavens. According to this legend, the construction of the Burj Khalifa is a sign of human arrogance and the warning of impending doom. The Curse of the Pharaohs. Another legend associated with the Burj Khalifa is that it was built on cursed land. According to this legend, the site of the Burj Khalifa was once home to ancient tombs and burial grounds, and disturbing the dead has brought a curse upon the building and its occupants. The Sandstorm Miracle. During the construction of the Burj Khalifa, the workers faced many challenges, including frequent sandstorms that would halt work for days at a time. According to legend, one day a particularly intense sandstorm struck the construction site, but miraculously, the sandstorm parted around the building, leaving it untouched. The Fountain of Youth. Some people believe that the Burj Khalifa has mystical properties and that its water features have healing powers. According to legend, drinking from the fountains at the base of the Burj Khalifa can grant eternal youth and good health. The Illuminati Connection. Finally, some conspiracy theorists believe that the Burj Khalifa is part of a larger plan by the Illuminati to control the world. According to this legend, the building's unique design and location were chosen for their symbolic significance and their potential to exert influence over global events. Overall, the design of the Burj Khalifa is a remarkable achievement, combining cutting-edge engineering and technology with the rich cultural heritage of the Middle East to create a building that is both beautiful and functional. The Burj Khalifa is a cultural and economic landmark that represents the UAE's ambition, innovation, and connection to its cultural heritage. Aside from holding the world record for being the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa holds 6 other world records. The Burj Khalifa is also the tallest freestanding structure in the world, has the highest number of stories in the world, has the highest occupied floor in the world, has the highest outdoor observation deck in the world, has the elevator with longest travel distance in the world, and has the tallest service elevator in the world. One of the lesser known and more interesting facts about Burj Khalifa is that the tip of the sphere of the Burj Khalifa can be seen from up to 95 kilometers away. At the highest point on the Burj Khalifa, the temperature is nearly 15 degrees Celsius lower than on ground level. Some famous quotes about the Burj Khalifa: the Burj Khalifa is more than just a building, it's a symbol of human achievement and a testament to the power of human creativity and imagination. Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, Vice President and Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates. The Burj Khalifa is a beacon of hope and inspiration, reminding us of what is possible when we dare to dream big. Abdulaziz Al Ghuraya, businessman and philanthropist. These are some most important highlights and famous facts about the Burj Khalifa. To know more, viewers have to research more or schedule for the visit and explore it.
Thank you for watching.
Keep watching, keep learning. Like, share and subscribe.